again with Unice hair, guys. You guys know the vibes. They've been really on top of the hair game since lately, so you know the wig is the first thing that I'm seeing in the package. I got this branded elastic headband, got a head brush and comb with an extra head. I got a pair of HD wig caps. I got a drawstring bag, great for storage, and it's branded. That's everything for goodies. So let's get into the wig of the day. Wig of the day is looking great. So this is their glueless bye bye knots wig, balayage highlight color, and it's 24 inches long. It's a loose wave that they classify it as not a body wave, and it's a 7x5 lace closure. It's 180% in density. All right, now this is the construction. Of course, they sent it with the roller. They sent it with the roller. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove it, but I love that. So it kept the curl in the front. Then the lace on this is bleached, so you know everything is gonna look very much like scalp. Look at that. That looks like scalp. I love it. So as I said, it's a 7x5 space art closure, and it's a adjustable strap added inside along with adjustable straps in the back. And this is a drawstring wig construction. You know the drawstring wig construction, the drawstring wigs are eating. You know why? Because they're so secure. So literally so easy to do. You secure that first knob there, and you use the second knob, which is a smaller one, to lock it in place, and you're good to go. It would never slip anywhere. Okay, literally so good. The hair itself is feeling very silky, so I love that. And you know what, really nicely done curtain bang style is trending a lot. Look at these curls. This is so professional. Oh my gosh, I'm speechless. Let's go ahead and jump into this very easy beginner friendly wigging style. They did, I forgot to show you guys, but they did send some bye bye knots lace tape, which I don't think we're gonna need. It's only if you want like that extra security, but those are good. Oh my gosh, wow, this looks like scalp. It looks so much like scalp. You see, oh my, no man, I need to get really close so you guys can see what's really going on. That is flawless. Flawless. What? That's flawless. Yeah, it is already so snugged, and I haven't adjusted the drawstring. So you know what, before I go any further, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it now that it's on my head, how to adjust the drawstring on your head. Very easy, very straightforward, just like what I just showed you. So let me go ahead and get to that. And you don't have to go into pre-curlies because it comes, guys, that's a look. That is a look right there. So that's a look. I just threw it up in that clip. Like, what? That's a look. That's a look. Are you kidding? That's a look. 100%. You don't want to hair down on you, but you still want to look good. You still want to look cute. Yeah. You take the comb in the back and you stick it into your braids or whatever, or you know, your real hair, and then you take the big knob and you slide it down to how tight you want it to be. Then you take the second knob and you slide that down to lock it in place. You take the string and you conceal it beneath the wig cap, and that's it. That is it. Now for look number one, we're just gonna play with the back, so you know we're not exposing the back of the wig, because of course it's not a 360 wig, right? But you guys know I'm gonna give you the look suggestions, right? So all right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and play with my bang area. Yeah, I love this. Look number one. Yeah, and it's looking so realistic. So I didn't have to apply, I didn't have to go in and get this flat at the top with my hot comb or anything. It came well styled and constructed straight out of the box. I appreciate that. If this is not the ultimate lazy wig, I don't know what is. And look, you look like you put so much effort into your hair. Look, when you really didn't. when you really didn't, little to no effort. The only thing I show you guys was how to secure it. Now that I show you guys, so now that I show you guys how to secure it, let's do a shake test as well, so you know it's real. It's not going anywhere. It is not going anywhere. I'm just gonna, you know, have it down, and it's already curled so perfectly. I don't need to go in and do anything because it's already looking so good. So that's it. That is look number 2. Gorgeous, so gorgeous. And I love that I could show you guys, like I know I've shown you guys curtain bang wigs before, but today's is colored, so you know that switch up things even more with it and gives variety, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Before I move on, let me just go ahead and lift this wig so you guys know it's completely glueless. Okay, I don't want you to feel like mana girl, no, mana. Like, I'm being so real with you guys when I say this wig is just, it's constructed to perfection. You could just go ahead and do a half up, half down. So you can very much go ahead and do that same vibe but with a half up, half down. So cute. And that's look number 3. Yeah, Unice definitely did it again. Flawless, easy, convenient, beginner friendly. Yeah man, it win. It's definitely that girl. I would 10 out of 10 highly recommend. Shedding is very minimal. The hair feels very silky and soft. It comes fully pre-styled and ready to wear, guys. The drawstring is definitely a plus. It is extremely secure. You do not need any product at all to go ahead and rock this wig. You know, like, feel free. It won't fly off your head easily. You know, it literally won't fall off your head. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. So if you guys are interested in getting it for yourself, you can go ahead and do so. All the specifications will be listed. Every information that you need, any sale, any discount, that will be listed. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. I hope you guys found this informative. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and like this video, share this video. Yeah, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and wake up on yourself. Bye.